Okay, so welcome to another video tutorial. Yes, it's a bit hot today in Chirezi. That's why I have this towel on my neck. So let's get back to the video. So today we want to create a multiplication program using C++. So first of all, you open the document, just click Control plus N, then you go to get started. Let me just keep a line. Okay, so first of all, you always include this thing, this input output stream, always, like always when you are writing these basic C++ programs. Namespace std, just like that. Okay, and then we write our int main, just like we always do in our tutorials. If you are new here, yeah, you better watch some videos, or you just watch this one. It's also helpful. So return 0. Now that I want to declare some data types which we're going to use, we're using the integer data type. Then after doing that, we have to declare, initialize some variables and assign some stuff which I'm going to be doing on the screen. So first of all, you say int a and b, and our result here will be z. Okay, just like that. Now what we want to do, right, you want to make a function which we want to be using. So in order to multiply two figures, we have to combine a, we have to times a times b, which is going to give us z. So that's what we're going to do. Z is equal to a multiplication of a times, this one, a times b. That's, we use a star. Okay, we use a star whenever we want to multiply some stuff in our C++. So now we want to say cout enter numbers you want to multiply, just like that. Then okay, cin, now we want to accept input from the user, the one who will be using the program. For this video, it's us, you and me, if you recreate this program, which you must do. Okay, cin a and b, then we close this one. Then we have to put another line. Okay, let's just use this next line. This is another type of next line besides and l. So /n, then we write what we want. So the result, there will be the result. Now we have to compile and run. Go over, you either press F11 or just go over this icon and compile and run the program. So it will require us to write the file name, which we're going to say multiply program, just like that, and we'll click over save. Then it's going to do some magic within the compiler, and it's going to pop up to the screen. Okay, there's an error here. What did we, okay, the return 0, there's the spelling misspelling. Okay, return, what's the spelling of return? I think there should be an R here. Yeah, just like that. Then I go and hit F11. Okay, did it work? I didn't. Let me just compile and run. Then after doing the magic, it will just pop out to the screen, and we should enter the information, just like that. So enter numbers you want to multiply. So I just want to enter 6, then we put a space, then times 10. There you see the result is okay. The program didn't function well. Why? Because I totally didn't put the value which we want the screen to display. We have to display sets. That's what we want to display on the screen. So in this one, we need to use this kind of slash, not the one which I've written. So compile and run it again. I hope there are no more errors in this program, because it will be so embarrassing. Okay, 9 times 9 is equals to 0. Man, what's happening? Okay, I think I know where the error is. We have to go at this part, remove it, and we should put it after the user enters. Okay, first of all, you give a number, right, to the calculator, then the calculator stores the number, then it's going to make to do the function of multiplying those two numbers and produce the result. That's the thing we want to do right now. So what I did is the wrong process. I said, okay, you should multiply a times b, and the result is goes to that, and that's the wrong way. So just paste the code here, then we compile and run our program. Okay, I'm going to press 9 times 5. There you go. There is our answer, 45. That's the answer to the program. There you go, guys. So this is how you create a multiplication program using C++ on a dev C++ compiler. I should have switched on this slides. I wonder why. Okay, there you go. So guys, see you in the next video tutorial. I hope it will be a good one. So cheers.